Is WhatsApp taking up too much storage space in your mobile device? In this video I'll be showing you how to clear WhatsApp storage space. Now let's get started. To begin, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Then tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Select Storage and Data. Then tap Manage Storage. From there you'll find a menu that breaks down how much storage space your WhatsApp data is using, and which specific media items and chats are taking up the most space. Under Review and Delete items, tap larger than 5 megabytes to see the biggest data hogging videos and photos. Go through this list and review which ones you want to keep, and which ones you want to delete. To select several items to erase, tap Select in the top right corner. Then tap each item you'd like to delete. You can also tap Select All at the bottom if you want to remove everything. When you're done selecting items, tap the trash can icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Delete items to confirm. Once that's done, you'll see the bar at the top of the page show the new reduced amount of storage that's being used by your WhatsApp data. That's all it takes to clear up your WhatsApp storage space. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.